Welcome back to the AutoVex today. We're taking an in-depth look at this impressive new luxury SUV, a vehicle designed to combine elegant styling, advanced technology, exceptional comfort, and everyday practicality into one complete package. From the moment you see it, this SUV projects confidence and sophistication. The bold front grille, premium chrome detailing, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted bodywork create a strong visual presence that immediately stands out. Whether parked in front of a luxury hotel, cruising through city streets, or embarking on a long-distance road trip, this SUV delivers a premium experience that appeals to modern drivers seeking both comfort and capability. Starting with the exterior design, the front fascia is the highlight of the vehicle's appearance. The large diamond pattern grille creates an upscale and distinctive look, while the chrome accents add elegance without appearing excessive. The sharp LED headlights feature a modern lighting signature that enhances both visibility and style. Sculpted hood lines flow smoothly toward the windshield, creating a dynamic appearance even when the vehicle is stationary. The front bumper integrates stylish air intakes and aerodynamic details that contribute to a refined yet athletic personality. Moving along the side profile, the SUV presents a balanced and sophisticated design. The elevated ride height gives it a commanding road presence, while the flowing character lines create a sense of movement. Large alloy wheels fill the wheel arches perfectly, enhancing the premium appearance. Chrome window surrounds, integrated roof rails, and body-colored mirrors add further refinement. The overall silhouette successfully combines the practicality of an SUV with the elegance of a luxury crossover. At the rear, the design remains modern and attractive. LED taillights provide a distinctive nighttime signature, while the sculpted tailgate and integrated spoiler improve both style and aerodynamics. The rear bumper incorporates premium detailing that complements the overall design theme. Every angle of this SUV has been carefully crafted to create a cohesive and upscale appearance. Stepping inside reveals one of the vehicle's strongest selling points. The cabin is designed around comfort, quality, and technology. Soft touch materials cover much of the interior, while premium leather seating surfaces and metallic accents create a luxurious atmosphere. The dashboard layout is modern and intuitive, placing important controls within easy reach of the driver. Every surface feels solid and well-built, reflecting the manufacturer's commitment to quality craftsmanship. The front seats provide excellent comfort for daily commuting and long-distance travel. Power adjustment functions allow drivers to find their ideal seating position, while heating and ventilation features ensure year-round comfort. The supportive design reduces fatigue during extended journeys, making every drive more enjoyable. Rear passengers are equally well accommodated, with generous legroom and headroom, creating a spacious environment for adults and children alike. Technology plays a major role in the overall experience. A large high-resolution infotainment touchscreen serves as the centerpiece of the dashboard. The system provides access to navigation, media, vehicle settings, and smartphone connectivity features. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility allow seamless integration with modern smartphones, while Bluetooth connectivity ensures convenient, hands-free communication. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable information displays, allowing drivers to view navigation instructions, fuel economy data, safety alerts, and vehicle information in a clear and modern format. The graphics are sharp and easy to read, contributing to a premium driving experience. A premium sound system enhances entertainment quality, delivering rich audio throughout the cabin. Under the hood, this luxury SUV is expected to offer a modern powertrain focused on balancing performance and efficiency. Whether equipped with a turbocharged gasoline engine, hybrid technology, or a refined diesel option, depending on market availability, the vehicle is engineered to provide smooth and confident performance. Acceleration feels responsive and refined, making city driving, highway merging, and overtaking maneuvers effortless. The transmission is calibrated for smooth operation, delivering seamless gear changes that enhance both comfort and efficiency. Drivers will appreciate the vehicle's refined character, particularly during long highway journeys, where the powertrain operates quietly and efficiently. The engine provides sufficient power for everyday needs while maintaining respectable fuel economy. Ride quality is another area where this SUV excels. The suspension system has been carefully tuned to absorb road imperfections while maintaining stability and control. Potholes, rough pavement, and uneven surfaces are handled with confidence, ensuring passengers remain comfortable regardless of road conditions. Highway cruising feels composed and relaxing, with minimal noise entering the cabin. Handling is surprisingly capable for a vehicle in this segment. The steering feels precise and predictable, allowing drivers to maneuver confidently through urban environments and winding roads. Advanced traction and stability systems help maintain control in challenging weather conditions, enhancing safety and confidence. Safety technology is comprehensive and designed to protect occupants in a variety of situations. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and traffic sign recognition work together to create a safer driving experience. These systems reduce driver workload and help prevent accidents before they occur. Practicality remains one of the SUV's greatest strengths. The spacious cargo area provides plenty of room for luggage, groceries, sports equipment, and travel gear. Folding rear seats further increase cargo capacity, making the vehicle suitable for family adventures and everyday tasks. Multiple storage compartments throughout the cabin enhance convenience and organization. One of the most appealing aspects of this luxury SUV is its ability to balance premium features with real-world usability. It offers the comfort and technology expected from a luxury vehicle while retaining the practicality that SUV buyers demand. This versatility makes it an attractive option for families, professionals, and adventure seekers alike. In conclusion, this 2026 premium luxury SUV delivers a compelling combination of sophisticated design, advanced technology, comfortable accommodations, strong performance, and everyday practicality. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe